This is the Z03 sports fitness watch with pedometer, step count, calories burned, and distance traveled, biometrics like heart rate, blood pressure, and a full ECG plus PPG analysis and live chart on the screen. Simply hold the bezel for 30 seconds and you'll get a real-time heart wave that you can then transfer directly to the tethered phone app, get a PDF file of that heart wave, and analyze it or email it to your doctor or whatever you'd like to do. You know it's live because if you move around, it shifts on the screen. When it's completed, it says to app, you connect and you do the tethering and you're on your way. So in addition to those biometrics, you also have a sporting section. In here, you can do individual running, walking, or climbing sessions. You've got riding, ping pong, basketball, badminton, and football. You even have swimming because this is an underwater IP67 smartwatch. You can find your phone when you're tethered. You have a countdown timer on it. You've got messages that are pushed from your phone to the watch and last night's sleep time. A lot of range of brightness for outdoors and indoors, and overall theme, which is where you can change to a couple of different analog watch faces or a digital one. Leave it right there, and you're back to your home screen. It's a really nice sports fitness watch with ECG capability, the Z03. Check it out.